everybody, it's your boy NAPPRE and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time being on this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please hit the bell to get a notification anytime I post a video. Oh my god, I'm happy today. Today is a holiday here in Ghana and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. You see big girls, you see small girls, you see lovely girls, you see everybody, like beautiful girls out there. So right now I'm going to Labadi beach to show you how it feels like. Look how I'm dressed. I'm using this car. Like that's my friend. That's my friend who is taking us there. So guys, come with me. Let's go.
We're
going to Labadi beach. See you there at the beach. Oh my god, that's my friend right here. He's been a good friend since childhood, you know. We're going to the beach. Oh my god, what is he doing? So see you there.
Yeah, five. Mommy, 30 banana. See a dozen.
So guys, this is how the ticket looks like, and we are 5 in number. So anytime you pay,
20, 80. All I'm saying 5 for can. No problem. You be on back kind win.
So as soon as you pay there, they collect from here.
Hey, there you go. I'm going to
Yo guys, I'm right here at the beach. This is Labadi beach. Oh my god, like the place is full. We are not even getting a parking space right now. It's really full to capacity. This place, oh my God, like, how should I say it? The whole world is here right now. Oh my God. Like, come with me, let's go and chill out on the beach, you know. We just find a parking space, we park, and I'll show you where the beach is. Come with me, let's go. So guys, finally we got a parking space. Oh my God, we are so tired. Like, the whole world is here. Everyone is here. Oh my God, look at this. The place is full to capacity. Finally, we are going to the beach. I'm going to show you how the scene looks like. I'm going to show everything you want to see here. I'll show you to you. This is how Ghana Beach looks like. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I really appreciate your love and support. Like, I had so much fun. Labadi Beach is so fun, you know. Like, it is awesome. You need to join me here whenever you're in Ghana. Just hit up on me and I'll take you to the Labadi Beach. You will love it so much. Like, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if it's your first time watching me, oh my God, show me some love by hitting the subscribe. And please don't forget to hit the bell. Join the family. Let's make it big. Peace out.